Here is how to sign up on Feetfinder. Hello everyone, welcome back to app tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can sign up on Feetfinder. So let's start. First of all, go to the Feetfinder platform, which is feetfinder.com. Then after, you'll come to a page like this. Now at the top of the screen, you'll find the options to sign in or sign up. Since you are trying to create a new account, tap on sign up. As you tap on sign up, it will take you to the interface like this. Then after, you'll have to enter your username, email address and enter other details. So enter all of those details and then tap on sign up. As you enter all the details, you'll also have to upload a photo with your front ID and a selfie with your ID. So make sure you have your correct ID ready. You can use any of the publicly accepted IDs such as your driver's license, your passport and so on. So upload those respective photos, tick on these verifications and then tap on sign up. As you do that, your account will be successfully created on Feetfinder. So in this way, you can easily sign up on the Feetfinder platform. That's it for the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for further similar videos and drop a like if you found this helpful.